Attorney General Merrick Garland is defending himself against questions from the GOP-led House Judiciary Committee today. House Republicans plan to move forward with a resolution to hold the Attorney General in contempt. He has defied lawmakers' request to turn over unredacted audio recordings from the special counsel's investigation into President Biden's handling of classified documents.
We have made clear that we will not provide audio recordings from which the transcripts that you already have were created. Releasing the audio would chill cooperation with the department in future investigations, and it could influence witnesses' answers if they thought the audio of their law enforcement interviews would be broadcast to Congress and the public.
CBS News congressional correspondent Nikole Killion has been covering this hearing for us. She's on Capitol Hill. There were several contentious moments during today's testimony. What are the big takeaways for you?
There still are, but I mean, a lot of this started at the very beginning of the hearing where Florida Congressman Matt Gaetz really tried to go after the Attorney General over the prosecution against former President Trump in Manhattan by Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg. He also criticized the judge in that case, Juan Merchan, but the Attorney General shot back, really trying to keep distance from those cases, reminding lawmakers that these are independent prosecutors, that, they are not tied to the Justice Department, even though Republicans were trying to allege the opposite. Another key takeaway is just obviously there has been concerns among Republicans that the Justice Department is being weaponized, but you had many Democrats trying to counter that point, saying, but look, the Department of Justice is prosecuting individuals right now, like New Jersey Senator Bob Menendez, Texas Congressman Henry Cuellar, and even Hunter Biden, the son of the president. So, the Attorney General made clear that, again, this is an independent agency and one that does not look at political party when making judicial decisions.
Democrats say these hearings are a waste of time. They say that the DOJ has already released a transcript from the deposition. What issues are not being addressed while the House committee gathers for this hearing today?
Well, to your point, I mean, that's what some congressional Democrats think, even though this is technically an oversight hearing by the Judiciary Committee, which is a standard protocol in terms of hearing from the Attorney General. I did speak to Ranking Member Jerry Nadler about his concerns. Take a listen.
I think we should be focusing on serious legislation. We've got serious artificial intelligence issues as they apply to intellectual property. We've got all kinds of serious issues that we ought to be focusing on them. We have reported out of this committee, aside from terrible, and I would say just electoral-motivated immigration legislation that stands no chance of passing, nothing.
And so that is a point that the ranking member also made during the hearing, even pointing to Republicans' impeachment inquiry, which he says has spent some $20 million, looking into the president, which so far has not found much evidence of anything. So the point he's making is just we're spending a lot of resources and time when we should be focused on more substantive legislation. But many Republicans counter that, again, their job, the function of this committee is oversight, and that is what they are here to accomplish today.
Nikole Killion, thank you.